right, so I want to do a repairability test. What's really important is when you are going to do an estimate or do a repair on a roof. You need to know that the shingles that you're going to do a repair, or the shingles that are on the roof, are repairable. Because I'll give you an example. In a field like this, you know, let's just say one of those shingles is damaged. I have to come in and replace that shingle. I need to know that I'm not going to damage other shingles around it when I go to repair it. So it's very important to ensure that this roof is repairable. So I'm going to do a repairability test. There's a lot of different things that we can talk about in regards to repairability. You know, the number of layers makes a difference. Can you still get the type of shingles? Will the shingles match? You know, you don't want to mismatch shingles. The dimensions of the shingles too, like, you know, if they don't make the shingle anymore, the dimensions aren't going to match, so the system won't work together. You know, again, the layer of material. So you can't repair something that has multiple layers and guarantee that it won't leak and that it's all going to, you know, fit together. So there's a lot of different factors. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to test a shingle to see if it's repairable. Hang tight. Find a shingle in the middle of the field, break the seal, lift up about 4 to 5 inches, and if it creases, tears, or breaks, then it's non-repairable. If when you break the seal, pieces of the shingle below, this shingle right here, pieces from this shingle below it, end up and tear off and end up adhering to the bottom side of this, it's non-repairable. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift up 4 to 5 inches, see what happens. Okay, so it actually tore right here. This is a non-repairable shingle. Let's try another one. Again, we have tears. Wipe it away. You have a tear and a break right here, non-repairable. So this roof, based on my test, is non-repairable.
Watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Ready to book your free inspection? Check the link in the description box for more information.